Hi folks, I'm Kevin. This is Real World Natural Living. Today we're talking about potatoes. Today we're going to see how many potatoes we can get out of this 10 by 10 patch that I made a couple of years ago. So I'll give you a little backstory about it. So if you've been following along with the garden segment of this channel, you'll know that I'm an advocate for front yard gardening and finding alternative spaces besides your just regular backyard garden to grow vegetables and stuff like that. So about 2 years ago, we made this 10 by 10 patch, and we actually put corn in there for the first couple of years. But we have a couple of big trees. I don't know if you can see that big tree, and we have one on the other side just over here too. And so with the drought we've had a couple of years ago, the corn really didn't do that good. So this year we decided to put potatoes in there. So my goal was to get about 100 pounds of potatoes out of this patch here. And it's a 10 by 10 circle. And I have no idea how many I'm gonna get, but 100 pounds would last us a few months, so that's a good thing. So I thought it would be cool to do a video where you can see how many potatoes I got out of this 10 by 10 patch, because I think that would be kind of interesting. And maybe you can take a guess too. If you'd like to guess how many potatoes I'm gonna get out of here, stop the video right away and go down to the comments and leave your guess there. I can't offer any prizes at this time, but I can give you a shout out in my next garden video. So if you do leave a comment, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So if you're right, you can see your shout out next time. So it's important to note that these plants are obviously dying off here now, but they were vibrant green and doing really well. So we're gonna start digging right away. So if you're gonna go make your guess now and come back and see how we do. So I just wanna poke in here and say that if you are taking a guess, the guess is in how many pounds of potatoes we're getting. Potato plant number one. Oh, it's exciting. Potatoes. Hello, I'm Mr. Potato and I have a big nose. It's the last plant. This one had a few. So all the potatoes are harvested, and we're gonna find out how many pounds we have. So leave a guess down below, subscribe to the channel, because I'm gonna put the results in another video. So we'll see you then.